Hello and welcome back to Zimist Coded. Today, I'm going to walk you through something incredibly useful and honestly, something many people don't even realize exists. We're talking about creating multiple profiles in Google Chrome. This is a great way to keep your browsing organized, whether you want to separate work from personal activities or share your computer without mixing everyone's bookmarks and settings. Let's take our time and go through this step by step. First, open Google Chrome. You'll notice that by default, no profile is displayed because we haven't created any yet. So let's change that by setting up a few profiles. Look at the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the profile icon. Click on it and a small menu opens. In there, you'll find an option that says Add Chrome Profile. Let's go ahead and select that. A new window will appear, giving you two choices. You can either sign in with your Google account or continue without one. If you sign in, Chrome will sync your bookmarks, browsing history, passwords, everything across all your devices. If you prefer not to sync, you can still create a profile locally. But for this demonstration, let's sign in. Click on Sign In to start. You'll be asked to enter your Gmail address. Take your time, type it in carefully, and when you're done, click Next. Now enter your email password and click Next once again. Depending on your account, Google may prompt you to verify through two-step verification. I'll choose the Tap Yes on my phone option. You can use whichever method works best for you. I'll wait for the prompt on my phone, and there we go. I've approved it. Chrome now asks whether you want to turn on sync. I'll select Yes, I'm in, and just like that, our new Chrome profile has been created. Everything is set up and ready to use. Let's close all Chrome windows and reopen the browser so we can clearly see the result. And there it is. The profile we just added appears nicely, showing the account we connected. Next, you might notice another profile sitting there. That's the default one that Chrome created. We don't need it, so let's delete it. Click the three dots on that profile and select Delete. Done. Now adding another profile is even easier. Instead of going back to the top right corner, you can simply click the Add icon right here on the Profile Chooser screen. I'll quickly go through the steps again and add a second account. Let's close Chrome once more and open it again. And perfect. Both profiles are now displayed clearly, ready for us to switch between them at any time. You can also edit a profile. Click the three dots and choose Edit. From here, you can rename the profile, change the color theme, and even toggle on the option to create a desktop shortcut for quick access. It's a nice way to personalize each profile so you instantly know which one you're using. Switching between profiles is simple too. Just click on the profile you want, and Chrome will open with all the settings, bookmarks, and extensions linked to that specific account. Everything stays clean and organized. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more easy, practical tech tips. I'll see you in the next one.